Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to reset a Chromebook if it is school management. If the Chromebook is not locked by school administrator and you can access the login screen of your Chromebook if you are logged in, press and hold Ctrl, Alt, Shift and R together. Then after select restart option. In the box that appears, select Powerwash and then continue. Follow the instruction to reset. After the process, you can sign in with the Google account. You need to note that the first account that sign in is now will be the set as the owner. If that method is not working, you have to hard reset into the developer mode. This will wipe all the data, may not remove school management. So first you need to turn off the Chromebook, press and hold ESC and refresh key on your keyboard, then tap the power button all three at once and release when the Chromebook turns on. When you see the recovery screen that called Chrome OS is missing or damaged, press Ctrl plus D. Press enter to confirm the turning of OS verification. The device will reboot. After rebooting, follow the on-screen setup instruction to complete the reset. If the system is corrupted or inaccessible, use a recovery USB stick. First, you need to prepare a Chromebook recovery USB using the official Chromebook recovery utility. You can just go to Google and search that one. Then after create a recovery USB using this software. You have to do that in the separate computer before the hard reset process is started. Insert the USB into the faulty Chromebook. Hold an ESC plus refresh key on your keyboard. Then press the power button. Follow the on-screen instruction to recover your Chromebook, which will also reset it to the factory settings, so your data will be removed. So these are the three methods you can try to reset a Chromebook school. If you think this video is helpful, please consider subscribe and liking this video.